Did you know facial recognition may have scanned your face today without you even noticing? From airports and concerts to phones and street cameras, it's everywhere. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. Facial recognition doesn't see faces like we do. Instead, it maps key facial landmarks, like the distance between your eyes, the width of your nose, the shape of your jaw, and more. This creates a unique mathematical formula called a faceprint, kind of like a fingerprint, but digital. No two face prints are the same, even among twins. Ever wonder how your phone unlocks with your face, even in low light? It uses infrared sensors and depth mapping to build a three-dimensional model of your face. This makes it harder to spoof with a photo or video and works in almost any lighting. Pretty smart, right? You might think facial recognition is bulletproof, but that's not entirely true. Researchers have shown it can be fooled with three-dimensional printed masks, deepfake videos, or even specially designed makeup and glasses. While top-tier systems like Apple's Face ID use depth sensors and infrared to block these tricks, not all systems are created equal. In security or law enforcement, relying on flawed recognition could lead to serious consequences. Accuracy matters, and so does how we use it. Imagine walking into an airport, hotel, or store and never needing an ID or credit card again. Facial recognition could become the key to everything: access, payments, even passports. The future is closer than you think, but with power comes responsibility, and we need to get this tech right. If you learned something new like this video, subscribe and drop a comment. Would you trust facial recognition with your data? More tech truths coming soon.